Hi guys, welcome to another new episode. In today's video, I will show you how to germinate Perennial Bombay Chilli or Naga Chilli and Yearly Black Chilli seeds. I have collected Perennial Bombay Chilli or Naga Chilli for today's video. I will try how to germinate the seeds in their raw state. Let's get started. I have cut the Perennial Bombay Chilli or Naga Chilli. Now I will cut the chili into pieces and collect the seeds. It is worth noting that this chili is so spicy that any curry can be cooked with 1/4 of it. I can smell its intense spicy smell while cutting it. Look friends, I have separated the seeds from the chili. Now I will collect the seeds from a Yearly Black Chilli in the same way. Look friends, there are more seeds in a chili of Yearly Black Chilli than in Perennial Bombay Chilli or Naga Chilli. Now I am washing the seeds of the two varieties separately with water. I am cleaning the seeds so that they have a kind of sticky coating on them so that the seeds work well for germination. To make a suitable soil for seedling germination, I have mixed soft sandy soil and dry cow dung. Since this mixed soil is loose, the embryo can easily come out from the root hairs and cotyledons of the seedlings. First, I spread the seeds of Perennial Bombay Chilli or Naga Chilli on the soil. Now, I spread the seeds of Perennial Black Chilli on the soil in the same way. I placed a plastic board in the middle so that the seeds of the two varieties can be separated. I covered the seeds with a small amount of the same soil. It should be taken care that the soil in the upper layer should not be more than 1 centimeter. If the thickness of the soil is too thick, the embryo cannot easily come out from the root hairs and cotyledons. I now watered the soil well by spraying water. I kept the soil sprayed for 15 days and kept the tub away from direct sunlight. After 15 days, I saw the seedlings at this stage. I saw the seedlings at this stage after another 7 days, that's mean after 20 days. But notice that only one seedling of the Yearly Black Chilli has sprouted. Now I will separate these seedlings in small plastic pots in soft soil so that it will be easier to transfer the seedlings to another place later. Therefore, I put a lot of water in the tub so that the seedlings can be easily taken out of the soil. I have prepared small plastic pots with soil. Now I planted the seedlings one by one in each. After placing the seedlings in the small plastic pots, I sprayed them lightly with water, and the next day I saw the seedlings in a good condition. Later the seedlings will be planted separately in different tubs. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comments section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.